Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to copy your PayPal me link. To get started, open PayPal and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the top right-hand corner and click the gear icon. This is the settings area, and it's where you can quickly view important account details like your profile information, payment preferences, and personal PayPal settings that control how your account works. After you click the gear icon, you'll be taken to your account settings page. Near the top of this page, right below your account name, you should see your PayPal me link displayed. This is your personal link that you can share with other people, so they can send you money more easily without needing to search for your account manually. This is especially useful if you're a freelancer, seller, or even just splitting payments with friends, because it removes the need to manually enter email addresses or search for users. When you find the link, you can simply highlight it and copy it. Depending on the device you're using, you may be able to right-click and choose copy, or tap and hold if you're on a mobile device. Once it's copied, you can paste it anywhere you need, such as in a message, email, or social media profile. A lot of people also add it to their Instagram bio, WhatsApp status, or business pages, so others can quickly send payments with just one click. Just make sure you're sharing it only where you feel comfortable, since it connects people directly to your payment page. If you open your settings and you don't see a PayPal me link right below your account name, that usually means your PayPal me profile hasn't been set up yet. In that case, you'll need to create your PayPal me profile first before the link becomes available. This setup usually only takes a minute and may require you to choose a username or customize your PayPal me URL so it's easy for others to remember. Once that setup is complete, you can come back to the same settings area and your link should appear there. This is a very quick process overall, and once you know where to look, it only takes a few seconds to find and copy your link anytime you need it. It's a useful feature if you regularly receive payments and want a simple way to share your payment information, especially for online work, small businesses, or personal transfers where speed and simplicity matter. That's all there is to it. Now you know exactly where to find your PayPal me link and how to copy it from your account settings.